वेलकम एवरीवन आज आम आसाम टेट रिक्रुटमेंट और APSC रिलेटेड जिमान एग्जाम्स আছে তার কারণে আমি কোশ্চেন্সবিলাক পঢ়িম তো এইটো ইয়াতে মোর ওভার 700 প্লাস কোশ্চেন্স আছে ওয়ান লাইনার্स যোনটো আমি পঢ়ি গৈ থাকিম ওকে দ্য ভিক্টোরিয়া মেমোরিয়াল ইজ সিটুয়েটেড ইন কলকাতা ওকে ভিক্টোরিয়া মেমোরিয়াল কোড আছে তাতে এইটো আছে কলকাতা और एकेटा सब क्वेश्चंस important questions plus previous questions mixed আছে in which track and field sports does Hima Das participate 100 200 400 meter who was awarded the Assam Vaibhav award in December 2021 Ratan Tata for social service the highest civilian award of Assam reward 5 lakhs and 20 in 2022 Tapan Saikia for healthcare and public service previous year খুজিছিলে Assam Vaibhav award 2021 কাক দিছিলে আৰু 2022 কাক দিছে Tapan Saikia for healthcare and public service Narendra Modi Stadium is situated in Ahmedabad Gujarat what does LAD stand for in MPLAD scheme member of parliament local area development scheme ঠিক আছে ইয়াতে যে LAD আছে তো LAD এর ফুল ফর্ম তো কি ওকে local area development scheme in on whose birthday is Abhiruchi Sports Day celebrated in Assam Bhogeshwar Borua और national sport day किते celebrate करा है 3rd September okay 6th April theme scoring for people and the planet तो यार मैं सेलिब्रेट करूँ 3rd September और 6 April याद थीम तो की दिया गया स्कोरिंग फॉर पीपल एंड द प्लैनेट फॉर 2022 ओके हु वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन फ्रॉम Assam टू क्लियर द इंडियन सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशन तो एटू होबो Anundaram Borua who put forward the law of physics that every action has an equal and opposite reaction Sir Isaac Newton what is the currency of United Arab Emirates UAE dirham Lakshminath Bezborua's poem Omur Apnar Dekh was first published in 1909 in is okay ki asle etor naam asle Bahi Bangkok is the capital of Thailand who was the chief minister of Assam immediately after Gopinath Bordoloi তেওঁ আছিল বিষ্ণুৰা মেধি where was the first medical college of Assam established it was আছিল ডিব্ৰুগড় আৰু কি নাম আছিল Barry White Medical School Margaret Thatcher was the former prime minister of UK the body of water between Russia and Alaska is the Bering Strait which of the following is a seaside city of India ঠিক আছে সিৰ ওচৰত কোনবিলাক সিটি আছে কান্ডলা ওখা ভাৱনগৰ মুম্বাই মৰ্মুগোৱা বেংগালোৰ কোচিন পাৰাদ্বীপ খিদিৰপুৰ বিশাখাপট্টনম চেন্নাই তো কোৱেশ্চনটো এনেকুৱা আছিল সাগে which of the following is not a seaside city of India ঠিক আছে তো দিয়া আছিল বাকিবিলাক তো কোনবা এটা আছিল যোনটো নাছিল তো একেটা সবকেটা আছে কানলা ওখা ভাৱনগৰ মুম্বাই মৰ্মুগোৱা ম্যাঙ্গালোর কোচিন পারাদ্বীপ খিদিরপুর বিশাখাপট্টনম চেন্নাই these are all seaside city of India which of the following vehicles is exempted from NHAI fast tag tolls তো ইয়াৰ आंसर টু ইতালকে অপশনত মানে ক্লিয়াৰলি নাছিলে ওকে the first আপোনালোকে যদি জানে এটো কব মুক ওকে এটো ইয়াৰ आंसर টু কি হ'ব the first modern theater hall of Assam the Ban theater is located in Tejpur who is known as Rupkonwar Jyoti Prasad Agarwala who is known as Kala Guru Vishnu Prasad Rava who is known as Nata Surya Phani Sharma which of the following countries is in South America तो तार भीतर एता नासिल सके ओके अर्जेंटीना बोलिविया ब्राजिल चिली कोलंबिया इक्वेडर Guyana, Paraguay, Peru, Suriname, Uruguay, and Venezuela. In which movement during India's struggle for independence was Kanaglata Borua martyred? Okay, Quit India movement. Who was the first Indian to go to space? Rakesh Sharma, 3rd April 1984. Where is the Assam State Museum located? Guwahati. Who amongst the following is a newly inducted cabinet minister of Assam? Jayanta Malla Borua and Nandita Garsola. ঠিক আছে, এইটো প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার্সৰ পৰা কোৱেশ্চন হয়। ওকে, তো কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সৰ কোৱেশ্চন হয়, তো এইটো বদলিব পাৰে। In which year did Doordarshan start color television program in India? April 25, 1982. तो 1982 हो जाएगा हमारा करेक्ट आंसर। What is the primary product of Boeing company? Aircrafts. Question number 26 related আৰু এটা বস্তু কৈ দি আছো যে এক্সামত ন মানে আসাম ৰিলেটেড এক্সামত ইয়াতে ডেট কেইটা মেনশন থাকে এপ্ৰিল 25। ওকে, তো এই লগত ডেট কেইটা মুখস্থ কৰিব লাগিব। হোৱাট ইজ দ্য ফলোইং ইজ নট এন এলিমেন্ট? টিন, মাৰ্কাৰী, আয়োডিন, কোৱাৰ্টজ। তো কোৱাৰ্টজ ইজ নট এন এলিমেন্ট। ওকে, which of the following is celebrated on May 8 every year? Red Cross Day. Red Cross Day is celebrated every year on 8 May. Who was awarded the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 1994 in the category of government service? Kiran Bedi. तो इतने recent काक दिसे इतो important है बोल। Who was awarded Ramon Magsaysay Award in 2023? इतो है बोल रवि Kannan. ঠিক আছে, এটো হয়ে গেল রবি কানন। Which of the following was the first artificial satellite of India? Aryabhatta. If a person is transacting in Taka, which country the person is? Taka, Kuri Taka, Bangladesh. Which people is the biggest exporter of Asafoetida, मतलब हिंग, okay, of to India? Biggest exporter हिंग कुने पठाया मारता है? ओके, अफगानिस्तान। God's own country is the tagline for tourism or which state of India? भगवान का खुद का क्या देश? केरला। Coined by Walter Mendes. Which state in India in Northeast Policy Academy located in? Which state is the Northeast Police Academy located in? It is in Meghalaya. Counter-insurgency and jungle warfare school is located in Mizoram at Verengate. Exactly, ঠিক আছে, মিজোরামত তো আছে, ঠিক আছে, মিজোরামত আছে। তো মিজোরামর কোড আছে warfare jungle warfare school is in Mizoram. মিজোরামর কোড আছে Verengate. Okay, the animal sangal is found in Sangai. Okay, the animal sangai is found in Manipur Kebul Lamjau National Park. Who won the Whiteley Award, also known as the Green Oscar, for the efforts in protecting the greater adjutant stork? Purnima Burman. The Right to Education Act as a fundamental right was enacted under 21A. Chanakya, the author of Arthashastra, was a minister in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Who amongst the following was an explorer to visit India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Ibn Battuta. ঠিক আছে, মোহন বিন তুগলক যেতিয়া আছিলে তেওঁৰ তাত কোন আহিছিলে? ইবন বাতুতা। Who was the first law and justice minister of independent India? B.R. Ambedkar. The Durand Line forms the dividing border between Pakistan and Afghanistan. National inter-school football tournament in India is played for Subrata Mukherjee. The first private bank of Assam set up in the year 1926 was Guwahati Bank Limited. Who holds the position of the chairman of Niti Aayog? Prime Minister of India. Which democracy is followed in India? Parliamentary democracy. By which name is the river Brahmaputra known after it joins the river Ganga in Bangladesh? ठीक है सर, Padma, by the name Padma. Rivers black code की change है, इट मुझसे कोई बोला ही वो, okay. Brahmaputra, known after it joins Ganga in Bangladesh, is called Padma. The angular distance of any place from prime meridian measured towards east and west is called longitude. ঠিক আছে, measured towards the angular distance of any place from the prime meridian measured towards east and west is called longitude. এনেকুৱা সিধা সিধা থাকে, ঠিক আছে, লম্বা লম্বা লাইন from east to west, এটাকে আমি prime meridian. Tsunami are caused in the oceans. Tsunami কোথ হয়? Okay, which of the following words does not appear in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Federal, ঠিক আছে, বহুত বার repeated question এটো. The ancient tradition of the exchanging goods for goods trade with currency is pike system. The famous dish dal bati churma is typically served in the state of Rajasthan. Animals that feed on green plants are known as herbivores. আর বিহারও তো এটা আসলে না, দা এটা কি হয়, এই পুরি কেনে যে খাই, কি আছিল এটা নামটা পাওয়া হইল না, চোখা চলে, লিট্টি চোখা, হ্যাঁ, international litti choka. Which schedule of the Indian Constitution has made provision for autonomous administration for hills and tribal regions of Northeast India? 6th schedule. Between which two towns is the Nara Narayan Setu situated? Jogi Hopa and Pancha Ratna. Who was the last king of the Ahom kingdom? That is Purandar Sinha. Lakshminath Bezborua's poem Omur Apnar Dekh was first published in 1909. কোনটো আসলে বাহি, repeated question. Bangkok is the capital of Thailand. Repeated. Which of the following places is adjacent to New Delhi? Gurugram. আরো অপশন কিবা কিবি আসলে সকে. Which of the first athlete from Assam to win a medal in the Summer Olympics? Lovelina Borgohain. The Ranghar was constructed during the reign of Rudra Singha by bamboo and wood. Aru Pramata Singha, it was rebuilt by Pramata Singha. मतलब प्रथम तो बैम्बू और उडे दी बना हुआ है, ताकि इटू कंक्रीट दी बना हुआ है. कितिया 1744 to 1751 AD तक तक. Where is Assam Women's University located? Jorhat. Which state does Srirampur connect with? Assam, Meghalaya. Which of the following city has a seaport? ठीक है सर, कौन कटा है? The 13 seaports include Kochi Port, Ennore in Tamil Nadu, Haldia, West Bengal, Kolkata Port, Kandla Port in Gujarat, Mangalore, Karnataka, Marmagua in Goa, Mumbai Port in Maharashtra, Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Maharashtra, Paradip in Odisha, Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, and Chennai in Tamil Nadu. The currency of Japan is yen. Which of the following is true about Povitara? It is a town in Kokrajhar district. No. It is a mountain peak in Karbi-Anglong. No. It is a lake near Dibrugarh. No. It is a wildlife sanctuary in Morigaon district. तो Povitara कोड আছে Morigaon district और আছে, ठीक है. Which of the following bridges is near Guwahati? Saraighat bridge, obviously Guwahati Saraighat bridge আছে, দুটা আছে. Okay, April 1962 মানে পুরোনোর কথা কইছে. Which amongst the following mobile theatre Briam Yaman group is the oldest? Kohinoor Theatre. Who composed the tune Omur Apnar Dekh? Lakshminath Bezborua. Urunodoy, the first Assamese language magazine, was published from the Baptist Missionary Press in Sibsagar in 1846. The first Assamese writer to receive the Jnanpith Award was Birendra Kumar Bhattacharya. In 1942 Quit India movement, the British police shot dead Kanaklata and Mukunda Kakati at Gohapur. The word that would correctly fill the gap in Ohomia Bhasha Unnati dash Hoba. So it was Khadni Hoba. Who wrote Shaptakanda Ramayana, a translation of Valmiki Ramayana in Assamese? So it could translate করেছিল Madhav Kandali. Who wrote Mahabharata? ठीक है सर, in Assamese. महाभारत इन एसएमएस কোনে লিখেছিল? রামা সরস্বতী, या तो राम सरस्वती, ठीक है सर. Where is the Assam's to come botanical garden located? Guwahati. Which is the life cycle of the butterfly? ঠিক আছে, এটু প্যাটার্ন আসলে কি কি প্যাটার্ন হবে? প্রথম থাকিব এগ, caterpillar, pupa, adult. Okay, এই pupa চাগে আগত দি দিব, caterpillar পিছত দি দিব, ঠিক আছে। প্ৰথম থাকিব এগত, তাৰপিছত হ'ব caterpillar, then pupa, then adult. The first Assamese film to be awarded the best feature film at the National Film Award was Halodia Sorai Boythan Khai. The Toklai Research Institute is in which state? Jorhat. আৰু এটা কোয়েশ্চন হ'ব পাৰে, ওকে, যে টি টকলাই টি স্টেট অফ ইন্ডিয়া, ওকে, the only Sainik School of Assam. তো মোক সবে এইটো ক'ব, which is the tea state of India. Okay, the tea state na state to hobo, okay, tea capital I guess na. Okay, we'll look into this. The only Sainik School of Assam is at Gwalpara. In which district is the Numaligarh refinery located? Golaghat. Which planet of the solar system lies between Earth and Jupiter? Mars. Okay, yeah, this pura India is Mars, Venus, Earth, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Who designed the national flag of India? Pingali Venkaya. Which vitamin is prominently present in lemon and amla? Vitamin C. Who was the first Indian born woman to go to space? Kalpana Chawla. Who won the men's singles at French Open 2022? Rafael Nadal. And 2023 কোন আছিল? Novak Djokovic. Men's singles at French Open 2022 Rafael Nadal আছিল, 23 Novak Djokovic. First capital of Jharkhand, Ranchi. The place associated with gold mine in India is Kolar. Okay, Kolar kod ase, Kolar Goldfields. KGF saise sobe. To etu kod ase Karnataka. Tate aru ki goldfield ase? Kolar Goldfield, Hut Goldfield in Raichur, Ramagiri Goldfield in Anantapur district of Andhra Pradesh. ঠিক আছে, ইন্ডিয়াত ক'ত গোল্ডফিল্ডছ আছে? ফাৰ্ষ্ট কোলাৰ গোল্ডফিল্ডছ ইন কোলাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট ইন কৰ্ণাটকা, তাৰপিছত আছে হাৰ্ট গোল্ডফিল্ড ইন ৰাইচুৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ কৰ্ণাটকা, ৰামাগিৰি গোল্ডফিল্ড ইন অনন্তপুৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট অফ অন্ধ্ৰ প্ৰদেশ. অ'কে, ইন উইচ প্লেচ ডিড ইণ্ডিয়া টেষ্ট ইজ ফাৰ্ষ্ট নিউক্লিয়াৰ ডিভাইচ? পোখৰাণ. জন এব্ৰাহাম মুভি আছিলে, অ'কে, তাতে দেখাইছিলে এইটো. হোৱাট ইজ দ্য ডিষ্টেঞ্চ বিটুইন দ্য টু ছেটছ অফ উইকেটছ অন এ পিচ? ক্ৰিকেট পিচ 22 ইয়াৰ্ডছ. আমি কিমান ডিষ্টেঞ্চ হেৰিত খেলোঁ এইটো হ'ব 22 ইয়াৰ্ডছ. ইয়াৰ কনভাৰ্চেশ্যনটো মানে যোনটো কনভাৰ্চন হ'ব কিমান মিটাৰ বা চেণ্টিমিটাৰত হয় সেইটো জানি থোৱাটো ভাল. এজ অফ দ্য 1st January 2022, হু ইজ দ্য প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট অফ US of America? Joe Biden. Okay, he is the 46th US president. Greek mathematician Pythagoras is known for relationship between the sides of the right triangle. Okay, hypotenuse square equals to summation of the square of the two sides. Okay, festival is related to the film industry. Related to the festival related to film industry? Venice, Cannes, Berlin, the original Big Tree, Toronto and Sundance. So 8 lakh jumla ase. Okay, yaha to jumla festival hai, these are related to film industry. Goitre is caused due to the lack of which of the following in our food? It is due to the lack of iodine. Who was the father of Lata Mangeshkar? Dinanath Mangeshkar. The first Assamese woman, a poet and author, to win Padma Shri award was Nalini Bala Devi. Which state of India did the Chipko movement originate in? That is Uttarakhand. Okay, Chipko movement ko hoisile, that is Uttarakhand. Which emperor built the popularly known Grand Trunk Road in India? Sher Shah Suri. Kune banaisile? That is Sher Shah Suri. Okay. Top 100 question আজি কাৰণে হৈ গ'ল. We'll continue this. Okay. The next question. ইয়াতে বহুত questions আছে. Okay. There are many more questions and many more questions to come. Okay. যিমান আছে every 100 question will complete. তো আজিৰ কাৰণে 100 question আমি ৰাখিলো. ইয়াতে মই ঠিক আছে, উইল গিভ এ গ্ৰীণ সিগনেল ফৰ দ্যাট ओके that this much is completed and अगर यार যদি PDF to लगे ओके तो लिंक तो हमार description box दिया আছে तो go there and यार जिमान PDF আছে हेतु पाई जाबो ओके do join the Telegram group thank you।